caffeine does help in keeping you awake. I would not go into details. It has been shown that the right amount of caffeine is actually good for your overall cardiovascular health and metabolism. But just staying on sleep, caffeine, there are certain neurotransmitters which are released in the brain throughout the day. And that takes us back to the natural homeostasis. As the neurotransmitter called adenosine rises in the brain, it actually helps us sleep. And what caffeine does, it basically blocks those adenosine receptors. So it doesn't let us sleep. So, yes, coffee makes me fresh. If I don't have caffeine on my time when I'm supposed to have, I will be drowsy. I will not be as active as I want to be, and I would have probably rebound withdrawal headaches. Excess is always bad, and the timing is also important. Then, I don't want to drink coffee in the evening or in the late afternoon because I have tried it and I know that it would disrupt my sleep. Studies have shown if you take, for example, a double espresso 3 hours within your sleeping time, it does reduce your REM sleep. It increases your sleep latency, decreases your sleep efficiency, and does cause more sleep fragmentation, just like alcohol does. So, yes, the right timing of caffeine is good, and try to avoid it in times where it can disrupt basically your natural sleep, because it's gonna mess up with your melatonin secretion in your brain and can mess up with your circadian rhythm.